Hey y'all, Lindsay from Palmer Farms here, just giving you an update. We have had a good 2 days of some really strong rain, and so I finally had a moment to get all my ducks and chickens out now that the sun just came out, and they are loving all of this rain. So I thought I'd show you what our ducks are up to. So I'm gonna go ahead. Here they are. So we've got, this is Huey and Dewey right here. Just digging in the grass and digging in the weeds. Over here we have Sam and Alex. They're just getting all the bugs and the worms and everything that they can find. Hiccup. Say hi, Hiccup. There's my baby girl, Hiccup. This one has grown quite large. There is our buddy Louise, our turkey. She's doing her fair share of pecking as well. So again, we've had some really extensive rains, lost a couple trees. The neighbors were out of power. It was crazy for a little while, but the storm is now past, and so these guys are eating it up and loving it, as well as all of the flowers and everything else going on. So it's a beautiful day at Palmer Farms. I hope you guys are enjoying your day as well, and I will see you later. Say goodbye, Sam. Say goodbye, little Sam. Oh, Alex is saying goodbye. Does it get any more fun than that, guys? All right, till next time. See you later.